Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the Delta Exchange app not working. The Delta Exchange app allows users to trade cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum directly from their mobile devices. However, sometimes users may face issues such as app not opening, crashing, loading slowly or failing to connect to the server. And this problem can occur due to poor internet connection, outdated app version, temporary bugs or the device related issue. And there are several simple steps you can try to fix the problem. So first thing is you need to check your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection is one of the most common reasons app not working. So you can go to your notifications panel and you can turn on your Wi-Fi or turn it off and try switching between it, and you can also turn on your airplane mode and turn it on again and to see if the app start working, or you can simply restart the Delta Exchange app. Sometimes the app may not respond temporarily. When you open to your Delta app, you can simply close the Delta app completely and reopen it and check if the issue is resolved. Or you can go to update your app. You can go to your app store and check if there's any update available over here, and if an update is available you can tap the update. None of the step work, you can simply restart your phone. A simple device restart can fix many temporary software glitches, and that is it. This is how you can fix Delta Exchange app not working. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you.